An unlicensed contractor exposed in a series of West 2 Investigates reports has been convicted. Anson Galloway received more than $180,000 from 4 different local families and is still facing trial in multiple cases. West 2 News investigative reporter Greg Fox is live in Volusia County. Greg, this is just the start of the legal action against this man.
That's right. Since we first exposed Anson Galloway in a series of reports, he's facing criminal charges in another county. He's facing a civil lawsuit. And after today, more could be on the way.
Anson Galloway, case 25-11.
Anson Galloway appeared in circuit court for a change of plea hearing, initially pleading not guilty to 2 charges of engaging in contracting without a license. He changed his plea to guilty on 1 count.
Yeah, I just would like to get resolved.
According to a state investigation, a Deltona woman hired Galloway to build an accessory dwelling unit, a mother-in-law suite, on her property. Total cost $89,000, for which she paid $40,000 up front. The work was never finished. That led to his criminal charges. The plea deal revealed at this hearing, and this victim impact statement from Antoinette Pierce, who appeared virtually.
This was not just a financial loss. It has caused significant stress, frustration, and emotional distress for me and my family over the course of the last 3 years.
The judge accepted Galloway's plea, adjudicated him guilty, and sentenced him to 12 months of probation, 25 hours of community service, and ordered Galloway to pay back the money to Pierce.
Mr. Galloway, can we talk to you? Ms. Pierce said that you violated her trust. Are you going to be paying back that $40,000?
No comment today, guys. I'm sorry.
This is not the only criminal or civil case Galloway is facing. He's facing felony and misdemeanor charges in Orange County for projects there in which investigators say he was paid but did not do the work. In one case, he's charged with felony grand theft. An arrest affidavit says an Orlando couple paid $53,000 to Galloway and his company. It was for home construction in Georgia Galloway did not complete. In another, he's charged with 2 misdemeanors, unlawful contracting and engaging in contracting without a license. Juliet Harrell paid Galloway $45,000 for an accessory dwelling unit in her backyard that was never built.
Do you expect that you're going to also have a plea arrangement in Orange County?
Sure hope so.
Galloway was also convicted of defrauding a dozen people out of more than $500,000 in the U.S. Virgin Islands and sentenced last July to 5 years probation. And I've been in touch with the Attorney General's office in the U.S. Virgin Islands. It's possible that the conviction here at the courthouse in DeLand today could result in a rearrest of Galloway and a revocation of his probation in the Virgin Islands. And of course, Juliet Harrell is suing him in civil court. Covering Volusia County, live in DeLand, Greg Fox, West 2 News.